咁啊又係咧我哋閒話英語嘅時候啊，咁我今日咧就想同初中嘅同學咧就分享一篇故事。咁呢個故事咧就來自咧一個叫 CBS 啊，係關於一隻流浪狗嘅。咁咧我會將咧嗰個標題咧就一陣咧就寫出嚟啊，咁並且咧同埋呢篇故事入邊一啲相關嘅英文咧就我亦都會教一教大家嘅嚇。咁呢個係幾感人嘅一個故仔啦嚇，同埋咧好短嘅啫嚇。咁大家可以輕輕鬆鬆咧咁學下英文喎嚇。咁佢咧就話 Stray dog who shows up to local subway for food every night。佢話嗰隻流浪狗咧就每晚咧都出現喺嗰個快餐店門口，咁咧就向人哋討食物。嗱咁咧嗰間快餐店咧就叫 Subway。咁佢唔係喺個地鐵喎，而係咧喺美國咧有間連鎖快餐店咧就叫 Subway。咁香港都有嘅，但係咧近年咧係少咗好多啦。以前太子道咧都有一間 Subway 啊，係專賣啲三文治啊嗰啲咁嘅嘢，但係都冇咗啦嚇。OK， 咁讀一讀俾大家聽啦。佢話The employees there took a liking to the dog。佢嗰啲職員咧就好中意呢隻狗啦。咁咧就 They have named her Subway Shelly， 幫佢改咗名咧叫做 Subway 鋪頭名啦 Subway 沙利，有個狗叫沙利啊。咁咧就 make sure she's always fed。咁咧佢哋一定咧係會餵佢嘅。咁即係話咧呢隻流浪狗咧就一定係有得食嘅。OK， 咁我哋又估下啦，會唔會即係有人收養佢咧？好啦，咁我睇住咯喎。佢咧有位僱員咧就叫 Lutman。Lutman 咧就點樣咧？咁佢咧就filmed his interaction with Subway Shelly and shared the video on TikTok。咁佢咧就同嗰隻狗咧同阿沙利啦溝通啦，跟住咧就拍咗個短片咧就上載呢個社交媒體。OK， 佢呢度話咧，佢話 When he woke up the next morning, the video had more than 10 million views。哇，好犀利喎！有1000萬人咧去睇過嚇。咁並且咧佢度話咧 The internet have fallen in love with Subway Shelly。咁呢個即係啲人咧就好中意呢隻狗啦。嗱，咁照計咧有1000萬人去睇，咁應該咧就一定有人 offer 去收養佢。咁我睇下個故事後面點講啦嚇。就係呢隻狗啊。OK， 好。咁咧就阿 Lutman 咧就講得好啱啊！佢話 people shouldn't limit their concern。佢話啲人咧唔應該咧將佢哋嘅關注咧只係限於咧就喺嗰個社交媒體嗰度咧講一啲説話，而係咧應該喺現實生活咧去做一啲嘢啊。咁咧就嗱，咁佢咧就呢個 Lutman 咧呢個快餐店咧就喺個 New Mexico。咁呢個新墨西哥咧係美國一個比較窮嘅州郡。咁佢度話咧，即係其實好多人都買唔起一啲寵物嘅食物嚇。佢話 I live in a very poor town and more often than not people can't pay for pet food。好啦，咁咧就因為咧就網上咁多人知道啦，佢話咧有啲咁嘅名人咧都願意俾錢，佢話但係咧佢都唔想即係去得益嚇。咁佢話 celebrities reach out and offer money for his good deed, but he doesn't want to profit。好啦，咁佢就解釋佢點解佢唔可以收養呢個 Shelly 咧 ？Because he got cats。最麻煩，因為佢有養貓。咁同埋咧，咁另一方面咧 ，he hasn't taken her to a shelter。咁佢唔帶阿 Shelly 咧就去一個動物收容所，或者譬如好似香港嘅愛動物協會或者係漁農處。點解咧？因為佢喺度話咧，佢話 has a high kill rate。就佢喺啲 shelter 呢啲收容所咧，其實佢哋幫嗰隻狗咧如果揾唔到主人嘅話咧，冇人收養嘅話咧，通常咧都係會將佢人道毀滅，而嗰個比率係幾高嘅嚇。好啦，咁咧就最後咧就 Shelly 都冇俾人收養，咁但係 Lutman 咧就話咧He did assure followers he and his co-workers will continue to feed her。佢話我哋咧係會繼續咧係會餵佢嘅。咁我哋希望啊 Shelly 咧就有一日係會遇到有人咧就收養佢啦嚇咁樣。咁跟住咧我同大家咧睇一啲相關嘅生字啊。